Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add more transition on Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft PowerPoint and I'm going to apply more transition to my slides. We can go to the transitions menu and we're going to choose the Morph transition. Just click on this option. All right, and now the Morph transition has been applied to my first slide. And if you want to apply this transition to all your slides, you just need to click on Apply to All. All right, and now this Morph transition has been applied to all my slides. And we can customize the duration right here, guys. And you will be able to apply sound as well to the transition. But I'm just going to leave it like that. And let's play the PowerPoint, guys, to see the final result. Okay, this is how the Morph transition looks like. And okay guys, that's all the way to add Morph transition on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.